Hello friends, welcome to all in a Sushrut Raizade official channel. In this video, we are going to see the construction and working of Tomlinson surface tester. First, we will see the construction. In this Tomlinson surface tester machine, the stylus is provided. This is a vertical stylus which has a hard tip, which is also known as a diamond probe. This stylus is held by two springs, leaf spring and normal general spring, and these springs are provided because the stylus should move in a vertical direction only. Okay, then also another purpose of spring is that the stylus is held against the lapped cylinder. Here the lapped cylinder is provided. This lapped cylinder is held with the help of stylus and the fixed rollers. Here you can see this is a lapped cylinder, this is a stylus, this is a top view of the tester, this is a stylus, lapped cylinder, and this lapped cylinder is held with the help of a fixed rollers. Okay, this lapped cylinder rotates between the stylus and the fixed rollers. Then the lapped cylinder is attached with the arm, means arm is moves with the help of a lapped cylinder. This arm moves in this direction. Then the diamond scriber is provided with this arm. This diamond scriber makes a profile on the smoke glass. Okay, it scribe the profile on the smoke glass. Smoke glass is provided. This is what the construction. Now working of a Tomlinson surface tester. The surface to be tested is passed across the stylus. The surface has irregularities on that. That irregularities means it has a crest and valleys present on that surface. Crest means crest and valley, or hills and valleys. These are the hills and these are the valleys. These are the valleys. These hills and valleys make a movement of a stylus in vertical direction only. Okay, the stylus moves in a vertical direction only. Due to the vertical movement of a stylus, it makes a movement of a lap cylinder. This lap cylinder starts rotating. If the stylus moves in a downward direction, it moves in a particular direction, and if stylus moves in an upward direction, then the lap cylinder moves in opposite direction of first one. Then the movement of a lap cylinder, or rotating movement of a lap cylinder, makes a movement of a arm in either direction according to the movement of a stylus on the hills and valleys. This movement of a arm in either direction, that movement of arm make a movement of a diamond scriber, which makes a profile on a smoke glass. This profile is made due to the irregularities present on the surface. That irregularities are marked on this smoke glass. Now to measure the surface roughness, this profile is zoom or enlarged with the help of a profile projector. Profile projector means this profile can be enlarged for the 100x, 200x, up to this zoom, or with the help of this lens 100x and 200x, you can enlarge this profile and measure the surface roughness. This is what the working of the Tomlinson surface tester. Thank you.